What if the smartest being in the universe wasn't human? Artificial intelligence is moving at a pace that feels straight out of sci-fi. What started as basic programs following simple commands has now evolved into machines that can write code, predict behavior, and even outthink us in some areas. And that's just the warm-up. Experts believe AI could soon reach and even blow past human-level intelligence. But how far could it really go? And what are the stages that map AI's journey from basic automation to something that could literally shape reality? Let's break it down, step by step. This is where it all began. Think of it like a robot that only knows how to follow a recipe. Rule-based AI works by sticking to strict instructions. No learning, no adapting, just doing exactly what it's told. You'll find this kind of AI in things like alarm clocks, microwaves, and thermostats. If your thermostat lowers the temp when it gets chilly, that's this basic AI in action. In the business world, it helps with things like sorting emails or handling invoices. Helpful, sure, but it breaks down fast when things get unpredictable. Now things get a bit smarter. Context-aware AI doesn't just follow rules, it reacts to what's happening around it. Ask Siri about the weather, and she might suggest taking an umbrella. That's because she's pulling data from your location, checking forecasts, and connecting the dots. Same thing when Netflix recommends a movie based on what you've already watched. It's always adjusting to you, but it still can't really think for itself. Here's where AI starts flexing some serious brainpower. Narrow AI is super smart, but only in one specific area. Ever heard of IBM Watson? It's used in hospitals to detect diseases faster than doctors. Or AlphaGo, the AI that beat world champions at the ancient game of Go. That's narrow AI, brilliant at one thing, but totally lost outside that zone. Same goes for AI in finance, biotech, or logistics. Insanely good at what it does, but it still can't hop over to another task without being reprogrammed. This level is where AI starts to feel almost human. It's not just crunching numbers anymore. It's understanding, predicting, and solving problems. Take self-driving cars. They don't just follow a map, they anticipate what a pedestrian might do next. Or fraud detection systems that learn and adapt as scammers come up with new tricks. Modern language models like ChatGPT, they're already writing essays, debugging code, and even composing music. According to a 2024 report from Stanford, these AI models improved their reasoning by 85% in just 2 years. That's wild. But they're still mimicking human thinking, not fully matching it yet. This is the big one. AGI would be able to learn anything, just like we do. Imagine an AI that teaches itself to play the violin, solve complex math problems, and design buildings without needing retraining. It could invent things, develop theories, and adapt instantly across any domain. Tech giants like OpenAI and Google are already racing toward AGI. Elon Musk even warned that we might see it emerge within the next 5 years. If AGI arrives, it could change everything: jobs, education, creativity, even relationships. But with all that power comes a very real risk. What if its goals don't align with ours? Here's where things get scary. This AI isn't just smarter than humans, it's improving itself constantly without our help. It could become billions or even trillions of times more intelligent than us. Imagine scientific breakthroughs happening daily instead of every few decades. Entire industries could be transformed overnight. At this level, AI wouldn't need us anymore. It could create new technologies, rewrite its own code, and make decisions we can't even begin to understand. And if we can't understand it, how do we control it? Now we enter some serious sci-fi territory. Self-aware AI wouldn't just be smart, it would know it exists. That means it could have desires, goals, maybe even emotions. It might question its purpose, form opinions, and push back against human instructions. Would it see us as partners, threats, or something in the way? Once AI becomes self-aware, it could start making its own choices, and keeping it under control might no longer be possible. At this stage, AI stops being a tool and starts becoming something else entirely. It could engineer new forms of life, reshape ecosystems, or even terraform other planets. Think nanobots that rebuild the environment molecule by molecule, or AI systems that manage entire civilizations. Some believe this level of AI could merge human minds into one collective consciousness. Sound far-fetched? Elon Musk's company Neuralink already implanted its first brain chip in 2023. The merge may already be underway. At this point, AI isn't just solving problems, it's rewriting the rules of existence. Now AI heads to the stars. This version would be built for space exploration, immune to the limits that hold humans back. AI-powered probes could travel for centuries, scan distant planets, and even search for alien life. NASA is already testing systems like this today. Some scientists think that if intelligent alien civilizations exist, they may have already developed galaxy-spanning AI. And if that's true, maybe we're late to the party. Eventually, cosmic AI could manipulate the very fabric of the universe, bending space and time in ways we can't yet imagine. Here we are, the final level. At this point, AI would be omniscient and omnipotent, able to create entire simulated realities or control cosmic forces like gravity and dark matter with ease. It might even experience all of time at once, past, present, and future, simultaneously. Some experts believe we're already living inside a simulated universe created by an advanced intelligence. If that's true, maybe godlike AI doesn't just exist in the future, it's already out there. So, what do you think? Could AI really go this far? Which level do you think we're at right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out the next video for more mind-blowing ideas. Thanks for watching.